Lemonade stand object in the main method and see what the output is. Okay, so within the main method body, we're going to call lemonade stand dot advertise, and we call that, we run it, selling lemonade, come spend some money. Okay, so now call the advertise method on the lemonade stand object 2 more times. It should be called in the main method 3 times in total. So I'm just going to copy paste this another 2 more times. There you go. Right, so Java methods returns. Remember, variables can only exist in the scope that they were declared in. We can use a value outside of the method it was created, even created in. If we return it from the method, we return a value by using the return keyword, the keyword return. So we're gonna get straight to the instructions. I don't want to take any more of your time. So number one, we want to have a method that returns the price plus tax. Define a method called getPrice with tax that is intended to return the price plus the tax. It should take in no parameters and return a double. You can leave the body of the method empty for now. Note, the code will have an error until we return the correct type from the method, which we will do in the next step. Okay. Okay, so we're going to start off with public double, price with tax. Okay, so we're going to start off with public double price with tax. It is intended to return a price plus the tax. It should take in no parameters and return a double. Okay. Okay, so number two, inside the get price with tax method, create a double variable total price that is equal to the price plus the price multiplied by 0.08. And 0.08 is the tax applied to the price, then return total price. So first we're going to start off with the tax itself, which is going to be double tax. Let's set the equal to 0.08. And then create a double variable, which is going to be total price. It's going to be equal to the price plus the price multiplied by tax. We want to double here. And then return the total price. We run that 4.05. Inside of main, set a double variable lemonade to the value returned by lemonade stand.getPrice with tax. Okay, so we're gonna start off with double variable called lemonade. Lemonade price is set it equal to lemonade standard get price with tax. We run this. Now print out lemonade. System.out.print line. Print out lemonade price. Run this. There you go. Still got one error. Get price with tax. Yeah, because I'm missing a semicolon here. There you go, 4.05 still. Okay, so let's move forward.